Hello guys!
Welcome to our channel. We are
Roberto.
and Magdalena. We are bachata dancers, and in this video we are going to show you 3 different footworks you can learn as a beginner.
And also make sure to stay till the end because we're going to dance all of these footworks to the music, and we're also going to share some tips with you guys during the video. So what are we waiting for? Let's go! Okay, so we're gonna start like always with our left foot, in this case on 1, and we're going to do a 1, but instead of going 2, we're going to go with the right foot and 2, and then we're going to be doing and 3, and then tapping on 4. So let's do that one more time. So we start with our left foot and we go 1 and 2 and 3, 4. One more time. So we start on 1 and 2 and 3, 4, and from here we're going to go 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Let's do it one more time. We are on 4, tapping with our right foot, and now we are going to do 5 right and 6 left and 7 right and 8. So let's combine both of them, and we are starting with the left one. So 1 and 2 and 3 tap, 5 and 6 and 7 tap, 1 and 2 and 3 tap, 5 and 6 and 7 tap. So in this case it's important to notice that every time that we are doing the step on and, we are not really changing our weight. So it's kind of like tapping. In this case it would be like 1 tap, 2 tap, 3 tap, 5 tap, 6 tap, 7 tap. Let's do it one more time, and we're going to do it 2 times. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 tap, 5 and 6 and 7 tap, 1 tap and 3 tap, 5 and 6 and 7 tap.
Okay guys, let's do the second footwork for today. We start with our left leg to the front. We only tap, we don't put any weight on it, on 1. So we go on 2 to the side, we also only tap. Now we go with the leg to the back, and we have to change our weight. So it's weight change, and now we give all the weight on the left. Let's do it again. We go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay? Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, change your weight. Okay? Let's do it with the other side. So we go to the front, no weight. To the side, no weight. And now change your weight. One more time. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay? Let's mix them together. So we go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we do it twice. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Very good.
Alright guys, so let's continue with the third footwork for today. We're going to start on 1 with our left foot, and we're going to go to the left. So it's going to be 1, we change the whole weight, and now on 2 we're going to come back to the right side. 2 and change the weight. Now with our left foot we're going to close and come back on 3 and change the weight, and we're going to stay here on 4, and we're just gonna be kind of tapping with the right foot. So let's do it one more time. We go 1, 2, 3, tap. Let's do it one more time and let's do it 2 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. Change the way, tap. Change the way, tap. And now on 5, we're going to do the same, but we're going to go to the right side. So it's going to be 5, 6, close, tap. Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, tap. So now we're going to combine them and we're going to do both of them at the same time. So let's start. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. Perfect. Alright guys, so it's time to practice. We're going to put some music and just do it with us. Let's go!
Okay guys, we hope you enjoyed the video and you find it helpful. Please let us know in the comment what you think and let us know if you have any questions. Give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. We hope to see you in the next video.
Bye-bye! Bye.